Effect of dielectric on capacity. In this video lecture, we will learn that if a dielectric slab is kept between the space of the two parallel plates in a parallel plate capacitor which is charged and connected to battery, and suppose battery is not disconnected, and then we insert the dielectric slab, then what will be effect of on energy charge accumulated on plates? As you may see here in this diagram, this is a parallel plate capacitor. Area of each plate of parallel plate capacitor is capital A, and distance between the plates is equal to small d. So capacity of this capacitor C naught is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. And now if we connect it to a battery, this is a battery, then after some time when this capacitor is charged, charge on this capacitor Q is equal to C naught into V. This means charge on plate number 1 is plus Q and charge on plate number 2 is minus Q. Now potential difference between the plates is equal to V. So we know that energy stored U is equal to half C naught V square. Electric field E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, and E is also equal to V upon D. Now if we keep this dielectric slab between the space of the two plates so that this dielectric slab completely occupy the space between the plates without disconnecting the capacitor with battery, means battery is connected, battery is not disconnected. So battery remains connected to capacitor, and this is the situation. Now since battery is connected, therefore potential difference between the plates will not change, and when dielectric slab is between the plates, then there will be polarized charge. Now capacity C is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D. So C is equal to K C naught, where K is dielectric constant of the material of the slab. So capacity increases by a factor K. Potential difference remains same. Now since capacity increases, therefore charge on the plates will increase. So new charge Q dash is equal to C into V. This is equal to Kc naught into V. So this is equal to K into Q, because C naught V is equal to Q. So charge increases from Q to Q dash. Now electric field is equal to V upon D. Since V is not changing, so electric field does not change. So look in this diagram. This is the same diagram. There is some space to explain the things, but actually dielectric fills the whole space between the plates. So this minus Qi is induced charge due to polarization of molecules in this dielectric material. This is plus Q dash charge, not Q. This is plus Q dash charge, and this is minus Q dash charge, and Q dash is greater than Q. So minus Qi and plus Qi are induced charge or polarized charge. These charges are due to bounded charges. This is not due to free electrons, because dielectric does not contain free electrons. Now energy stored U dash is equal to half CV square, C is equal to Kc naught, so U dash is equal to half Kc naught V square. So energy stored increases. Now since V is constant and C increases, hence charge on plates increases. Induced charge on the surface of dielectric is equal to Qi. So let us see what are changes in parameters. Capacity becomes from C naught to Kc naught, means capacity increases, charge on plates increases. Potential remains same, electric field between the plates remains same, and energy increases. From U to it becomes U dash, which is equal to half Kc naught V square. Now V is equal to Q upon C naught and V is equal to Q dash upon C when dielectric is inserted. So V is equal to Q upon C naught. So V remains constant, D is equal to V by D. So here is written something. When capacitor is connected to battery and dielectric slab is inserted between the two plates and battery is not disconnected and dielectric slab fully occupies the space between the plates of capacitor, then this is the change in parameters. This number 1 is parameters when there is no dielectric slab, and second is these are parameters when dielectric slab is inserted between the plates of capacitor and battery remains connected to the capacitor. Now second case, effect of dielectric when dielectric slab is kept between the space of these two plates of parallel plate capacitor and battery is disconnected. Now this time first we charge the capacitor up to voltage V and after that disconnect the battery. So capacitor is disconnected and dielectric slab is inserted between the space of the parallel plate capacitor. So in this case charge remains constant because there is no connection with the battery. So since there is no path for these charges to move, so charge remains constant. So charge on plate number 1 is plus Q, charge on plate number 2 is minus Q. Now capacity increases because there is dielectric slab. So C dash is equal to Kc. New potential V dash is equal to Q upon C dash. So V dash is equal to Cv upon Kc. So V dash is equal to V by K. Therefore potential difference between the plates now decreases. It decreases from V to V by K, where K is dielectric constant, and electric field between the plates E dash is equal to V dash by D. So electric field also decreases, electric field becomes E by K. Energy stored becomes half Cv square by K. So energy stored also decreases. So change in parameter when after charging the capacitor battery is disconnected and dielectric slab is inserted between the space. So Q does not change, Q remains constant, V decreases, new potential difference between plates becomes V by K, C increases by K times, electric field intensity between the plates decreases, E by K, and potential energy, electrostatic potential energy also decreases. You may see here U dash is equal to half C dash V dash square, C dash is equal to Kc and V dash is equal to V by K. Solve it. So potential energy becomes half Cv square by K. Now there is a question. So these are the parameters which are changing. V dash, E dash and U dash decreases, C dash increases and Q remains constant. There is no change in charge. Now why stored energy decreases? What is physics behind it? So let us try to understand it. Suppose this is a charge parallel plate capacitor and this is a dielectric slab which we are going to insert between this space. So you may see here, as we move this dielectric slab between the space of capacitor, due to charge on capacitor induced, there are induced charge on upper surface plus minus qi charge and in lower surface plus qi charge. These are polarized charges. So one reason is that because of this attraction between this positive and negative, this slab experience a force and this force is generated by the system itself. Other reason is when this slab is in between the space, molecules polarizes. So this system is doing some work, and therefore since system is doing work, so system will take energy from its internal energy, that is electrostatic energy stored in it. So work is done by the system, hence internal energy means electrostatic potential energy decreases from half CV square to 1/2 CV square by K.